Okay, so now we're going to talk about the video editing software that I use. It's called Powerdirector 17, which is basically for PC computers. It's not for Mac computers, so you gotta have PCs and Windows. It says Windows 7 or higher, but Windows 10 is better. But yeah, basically this is Powerdirector 17. We're looking at it right now. The package I bought has like an extension called 365. Gives you more effects for the videos, so that's the version I bought. It's like somewhere, I think around 150, something like that, 130, but I'm gonna just go over the basics of it. The interface right here. So as you can see at the top, it says capture, edit, produce, and create this. The edit screen, that's what we're looking at now. Is where you would have your videos. You drag them down into the timeline, and you edit them. You can trim, cut, do all that stuff, add effects. That's the edit window. The capture window is just for how you want to record your video. You could capture from a webcam, as you see right there, that first icon. This is if you just want to record your voice. You click that. Over here is like if you got an external camera connected to your computer. And right there, that's the screen recorder, which I'm using right now to record the screen. So you can use the software I'm using. You see it has the volume for the mic right there. You could bring it up or down. Always keep it up. So that's the capture section. The produce section, I'll probably talk about that in another video, but that's basically when you're done editing and you want to produce the video into MP4 or whatever file format. And of course, create disk is when you want to burn it to disk. I never used that, but yeah, that's what this section is for. We're gonna go back to editing right here. So again, in the edit section, as you can see right here, your videos will be here. If you like when you import your videos, upload your videos, it'll show up right here in this screen. These are some videos it comes with that you could practice on, but yeah, for this first icon where it says media room, this is where your videos would be, your music, your images. It would all show up right here. When you click the next one, which is effects right here, these are just effects you could put on the video. Once you have your video in your timeline, which I'll show you. You click the whatever effects you want to use. They got different ones, but you would basically just click on it. It'll show you what it looks like over here in this right screen. Then you would click it and drag it to the effects bar right here, and your video would be here. Then when you click the play button, you would see the effects, how it made the video look. So that's the effects section. Let me delete that. The next one is video overlay. Again, we in this left column right here. This is just images you could overlay over the video. If you click on it, it'll show you what it looks like. You know, different ones. You can have your video right there in the middle of this building. They got different ones. You know, you could use that on the intro, but yeah, so those are the overlay. You could also click there and download free templates. So the next one is the particle room. Again, these are just effects. You could put on the intro or outro. You just click on it and you basically see what it looks like. And again, you could click there to download free templates. So as we come to the left column, you see title room where that T is. Here's where you can do titles for your intro or your video or different sections. Just click on the different titles to see what they look like. That one comes up from the bottom. You know, you got ones that come from the side. Got the backdrops. And of course you could edit it, add your text in there. We're not going to do that now, but yeah, that's just for your titles. Of course you got different ones you could look at. These are some of the ones I created, but we're not going to get into all that. So next, if you come to the left column again, you see the next one is the effects. Actually, excuse me, the transition room, where you see this symbol. Here you could pick different transitions from when you go from one scene to the next in your video. You just click on them. It'll show you how the transition works. You got different ones. You got 3D-like ones right there. It's just different transitions. So when you see my transitions here, it's from Powerdirector right here. Like I said, you just click on the different ones to see how it would look. Whichever one you like, you would just click on it and drag it onto the video. You know, pretty much the front or the end of the video, wherever you want the transition to take place. So those are your transitions. Alright, so next, this is your mixer, audio mixing room, where you control the audio sound for each video, which you see down here. Well, I'll get to that later, but this is your mixer where you could bring the volume up. We don't have no video there, so you can't really see it, but if I had a video imported and dragged down here, I'd be able to control the volume, you know, just raise the knob up or bring it down. So yeah, this is the mixing console to control the audio for the video. Now this next icon to the left, this is the voiceover recording room. See, it looks like a mic. As you can see, as I talk, the green goes up, you know, because it's recording my voice, but here's where you control the volume on the mic. Also, you could click devices and choose whichever mic, if you got different mics connected and you have preferences. We're not going to mess with that, but yeah, this is the voiceover for recording your voice. That's what this is for. So yeah, those are those basic features right there along the side. Let me Then we're going to come down to the bottom. As you can see here, this is the video icon. You would drag your video in here, like this video right here. If this is my video, drag it right into there. Of course, you could stretch it out and all that, but the first slot is for video. This one with a sound icon, this would be for audio. You would import it into here and then drag your audio onto there. And then, like I said, the effects up here. You just click on whichever effects you want to use. And then drag it into this third slot. That's what this is for. The first slot is video. Second slot is sound. Third slot is where you would add effects. They have a title slot here. Also, they got the check boxes. If you don't want the music, like let's say if you put music there, if you don't want it, you just click the check box and it won't play the music. Same thing with the effects. If you don't want it, click get rid of the check and it won't play it. So that's what that section is for right there. Alright, so in the next video, I'm going to show y'all just more video editing tips. How to trim, how to stretch stuff out, highlight stuff, move it around. I'll show you some of the effects and transitions as well. So yeah, look out for the next video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell to be notified about the new uploads. Basically a new upload every Wednesday anyway. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, and share.